Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Escape to a world of natural charm and contemporary comfort with this delightful 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom country cottage in Peters Rock, St. Andrew, located a mere 20 minutes drive from the nearest metropolitan area. This two-story split-level house offers a perfect blend of cozy aesthetics and modern amenities. Settled on approximately zero point 0.8 acres of verdant land, it provides a tranquil escape complete with the cool climate and pine-scented air unique to this enchanting location. Cultivated with flowers, bananas, plantains, herbs, mainly peppermint and fevergrass, pineapples, sugarcane, and fruit, food, and medicinal trees such as mangoes, avocado, cherry, guava, June plum, Indian plum, star apple, peach, Otaheiti apple, Soursop, Sweetsop, custard apple, Ackee, breadfruit, jackfruit, Moringa, papaya, chocolate, nutmeg, and cinnamon. The building is served by two 400-gallon water tanks, a solar water heater, and a 1.8 kilowatt solar power system. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 50 million or US $324,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.